What's up, guys? Once again, welcome to Fame Ebong TV. So today I actually want to teach you guys how to produce a laundry bar soap using soda ash. I have actually made a video on how to make a laundry soap with soda ash before. So in this other video, I want to show you a better way to dissolve your soda ash, because in the previous video of soda ash production of soap making, I told you to mix the soda ash with your caustic soda in the same water. Then I later realized that that mixture will not allow the soda ash to dissolve properly. So in order to avoid undissolved soda ash in your soap, it's better to dissolve the soda ash separately from the caustic soda, implying that we will dissolve our soda ash in a separate container and dissolve our caustic soda in another separate container. So this is our water. We're making use of 570 grams of water. That is the water I will be using to dissolve my caustic soda and soda ash. I will use some part of the water to dissolve my caustic soda, then use the remaining part to dissolve my soda ash, and they will be both dissolved in separate containers. So I want to dissolve them. This is my soda ash. It's in a separate bowl. I will pour water inside. Okay, that's the container for my caustic soda. Then this is my soda ash. So you can see I want to dissolve them in separate containers. So I'm going to pour my caustic soda into that liquid there. So also, this is a simple equation or formula on how to determine the quantity of your soda ash when making soap. So the caustic soda you use, divide the quantity of your caustic soda by 2. So you can see I divided mine by 2 and it gave me 119 grams of soda ash. So when you divide your caustic soda by 2, the answer you get, that is the quantity of soda ash you should use in your soap production. That is if you want to add soda ash in your soap production. So you can see it's very easy. Then also divide or dissolve them in separate containers so that it will dissolve properly. So you can check the description of this video to join my online class on soap making, cream production, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner. There's a lot of things you will learn in my online class. Just check the description of this video for the link where you can join the training which goes on WhatsApp. So this color I bought is actually oil soluble. So since it's oil soluble, I'm going to use some part of my granite oil to dissolve the color. If you get an oil soluble color, you have to use oil to dissolve it. Water can't dissolve oil soluble colors. So when you get an oil soluble color, if you are producing soap, when you get to the chemical store, find out if the color you are buying or you are purchasing is oil soluble or water soluble. If it is water soluble, dissolve it with water. But if it is oil soluble, dissolve it with oil. This my color is oil soluble. That's why I dissolve it with my oil. You can choose to dissolve it in the oil directly or dissolve it separately in a container. You can choose to dissolve it in your oil directly or dissolve it separately in a container. I decided to dissolve mine separately in a container. Reason because I want to observe the quantity of color I'm adding. I don't want to add oil so that I will not add so much of color in my soap. So I've added some quantity. Then I will observe if my soap production still need some color, I'm going to pour it inside again. That is why I didn't pour all inside. Alright, so this is the soap mold we'll be using to produce this soap. This mold, I actually sell it. It's 7,000 naira. If you want this mold, you can reach me on WhatsApp with the number displayed on the screen. We build this mold to different parts of Nigeria. So if you need this mold, we can deliver it for you in any part of Nigeria that you are. So if you need this soap mold, we have them readily available. We will deliver it to your state and city for you to go and pick it up at the pack. It's 7,000 naira. We are selling the soap mold. It's available. If you need it, reach me on the number displayed on the screen. So over here is my caustic soda and soda ash. I kept my caustic soda aside for it to cool down because the temperature was too hot. Then I kept my soda ash aside for it to properly dissolve. You can see how it is. Now, soda ash does two things to your soap. Number one, it increases the cleaning properties of your soap. It makes your soap super active in terms of removing stains from clothes. That's what soda ash does. Then also, soda ash helps your soap to be very hard. It's also a hardening agent. Minus the fact that it helps the soap to be very active in terms of removing stains. It makes soap hard. That's why if you observe this, my soap batter is going to become harder quickly in my mixing container or in my mixing bowl. If you observe, it will start getting hard quickly. Reason because I added soda ash. And I'm making use of two hardening agents. I'm making use of soda ash and sodium silicate. So the combination of both of them will make my batter get thick, very thick in my mixing bowl. Then also I have hosted a training on how to print on nylon and how to package your soap with nylon. You can print on that nylon at home and use it to package your soap. Then also how to also package your other cosmetics like your body cream, your liquid soap, and any other thing you are wanting to package. So I've hosted a training on how to package these things, how to print on nylon at home. If you are a soap maker out there and you want to be packaging your soap in nylons and you want the nylon to be printed on, I will teach you how to print on it at home, how to do this printing at home so that you to make your packaging look unique and to make your soap look very attractive. So if you need this training on how to package, do well by reaching me on the phone number displayed on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like this video. Then also don't forget that I host online classes on WhatsApp. If you need training on how to produce soap at home, do well by enrolling for my online class to be trained on how to become a professional soap maker. I have ebooks for sale. If you need the ebook, also reach me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase the ebook. The ebook has a lot of production on soap making and other skincare formulation. So thank you for watching and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye.